Oh. Oh, wow. That was another great episode.
I know! I can't wait till next week's broadcast.
I'm gonna make some more popcorn.
Hang on a second. There's something we really need to talk about.
That's good, because there's something that I really need to talk about also.
Well, we've been together now for 10 years, and I was thinking that we should get married and buy a house and have a boatload of kids.
That's exactly what I wanted to talk about, and I think this conversation is going to be a little longer and more complex than you would have imagined.
Well, in that case, I'll put the tea kettle on.
No. That's exactly what I'm trying to tell you! We can never have kids.
What are you talking about?
Genetics.
Genetics?
Okay, listen to me. I'm not... I have a very unique side to me that I've been hiding from you all these years.
Stop. Stop. I can't take that. Just say it. Just pour it out.
I'm part tea kettle. My mother was a tea kettle.